Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex and the Erivess. Both machines are designed for small living spaces, but they have unique features that set them apart. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Both the Giantex and Erivess washing machines have a washing capacity of 20 pounds, making them suitable for small loads. However, the Erivess has a larger spinning capacity of 12 pounds compared to the Giantex's 8 pounds, allowing for more efficient drying. The Giantex features a basic twin-tub design, while the Erivess stands out with its included drying rack and 10 hangers, providing added convenience for users who need to dry their clothes efficiently. In terms of dimensions, the Giantex is more compact at 24.8 inches in length, while the Erivess is taller and wider at 28.7 inches. This may influence your choice depending on the available space in your home. In conclusion, both the Giantex and Erivess portable washing machines offer great solutions for small living spaces. The Giantex is compact and straightforward, while the Erivess provides added features like a drying rack. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.